In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a timeline in PowerPoint using ChatGPT in just a few clicks. If you've ever struggled with aligning shapes, spacing out dates, or making your timeline look clean and professional, this method is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of building everything manually from scratch, you can generate a ready-to-use timeline file and simply customize it to fit your needs. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to ChatGPT. You can simply type chatgpt.com into your address bar and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the main prompt box where you can type your request. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the message box, type a clear instruction such as, create a timeline chart in PPT. You can also be more specific if you want. For example, you could say, create a project timeline in PowerPoint with 5 milestones from January to May. Or create a business roadmap timeline slide. The more details you provide, the more tailored your PowerPoint file will be. After typing your request, press enter and let ChatGPT generate the file. Within a few moments, it will prepare a downloadable PowerPoint presentation file for you. This saves you from manually inserting shapes, text boxes, lines, and trying to evenly distribute everything across the slide. Once the file is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Go ahead and click on the download button. The PowerPoint file will be saved directly to your computer, usually in your downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. After the download is complete, open the file in Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll now see your generated timeline slide. From here, you can fully customize it just like any other PowerPoint presentation. You can change the dates, edit the milestone text, adjust the colors to match your brand, resize elements, or even add icons and images to make it more visually engaging. If you want to modify the design, simply click on any shape or text box. You can use the Shape Format tab to change colors, outlines, and effects. If you'd like to add more milestones, you can copy and paste an existing element and adjust the date and description. PowerPoint's alignment tools under the Arrange menu can help you keep everything evenly spaced and professional looking. Another useful tip is to apply a design theme. Go to the Design tab in PowerPoint and choose a theme that fits your presentation style. This will instantly update the fonts and color scheme while keeping your timeline structure intact. And that's it. Instead of spending 20 or 30 minutes building a timeline manually, you've created one in just a couple of minutes using ChatGPT and PowerPoint together. This method works great for business presentations, school projects, marketing roadmaps, project planning, and even personal goal tracking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. I post regular guides to help you save time and work smarter with the tools you already use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.